Hi! Do you want to remove the background from your chosen image to use for your book cover, social media post or promotion? You don't have to be a graphic designer or learn Photoshop to do that. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove the background from an image in Canva quickly and easily. No special designer skills required. However, you do need to be signed up with the Canva Pro plan because this feature unfortunately isn't available in the free plan. The good news is you can follow the link below my video to get Canva Pro and use it for free for the first 30 days. Like I said before, just make sure you are signed up with a Canva Pro account before you begin, because the background removal tool, the tool you need for this, unfortunately isn't available in the free plan. Once you are in Canva, you can either start a new document or just upload your picture. Let's upload a picture and click Edit Image. Now click the image you just added. You will see a little tab that pops up at the top of your editor and says Effects. Click that and then choose Background Remover. And your background will magically be erased in one click. Canva first removes the background automatically. Then you can touch up your image manually to improve the result if necessary at all. In case any detail should be removed, use the Erase button. Change the brush size if necessary to be more precise. If you need to restore some areas, use the Restore button like this. To undo, simply press Ctrl+Z. When finished, download your image. To have a picture with a transparent background, you will need to download it as a PNG file. Tick the box here. Now you can use your image in any design you like, be it your book cover or social media post. To see more videos with useful tips on how to easily create beautiful visuals and be more productive, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos every week about free tools for creating visuals and increasing your productivity on the internet and social media. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Anita Nipan from Diginet.com. I hope to see you next time.